Hello, and welcome to Meditations and Mindfulness. My name's Holistic JB, and I'm your host. So make yourself comfortable. Settle on in, and we'll begin with the meditation. Hi everyone, I hope you have all had a fab week and appreciate that you have taken the time to be here and join with us this evening. Today we have something special, a guided meditation for the root chakra and specifically for activation and balancing. As you know, the root chakra is our foundational energy. It is where we get our sense of stability, security, and whether we feel safe. You probably also know it's the energy that helps us feel grounded and keeps us connected. Not only connected to the earth, but also connected to others. The root chakra holds the energies of the generations. What I mean by this is that the root chakra energy contains the record of each generation of your bloodline. All of their history, memories, traumas, and turmoil are held within this foundation energy and printed into your subtle body. This is why at some stage in life everyone has issues with their root chakra. Much of it is linked to inherited trauma that you aren't aware of, but has impact on how safe you feel, how secure you are, and how connected to others you feel. It's also critical to open and heal the root before any other chakra. You are opening and using all chakras' energies all the time, sometimes consciously and other times without even knowing. However, if you wish to achieve full energetic balance within your energy system, the only way of achieving it is by balancing the root energy. The root chakra is where the others get their energy from. So if your root is out of balance, so are all the others. For example, many people spend hours trying to release blocks in the heart or grow their intuition. They probably have some success, but it's limited, and after a while they get disillusioned and give up. And it makes the issues they were hoping to deal with worse as they believe they failed, or no longer believe. Now, if they had spent a little time to balance the root chakra, they may have achieved great success. Even if you think, my root chakra is fine, I don't hoard, I maintain good relationships, I trust people, feel safe, I'm not materialistic, you still need to ensure your root chakra is balanced if you want to, then work on balancing, healing, and aligning any of the others. Get yourself comfy, and we will start. Today's meditation is guided by Chakra, so let's begin.
First, begin by taking some long and deep breaths. As you focus on the breath, you notice a soft light above. As you watch, you can see it expanding and becoming a beautiful white beam of light. See it shining down from the universe and illuminating you as you are now. As you breathe in, see yourself breathing this pure white silvery light deep into your lungs. As you exhale, you can feel all the tension and stress of the day is leaving your body and melting away. And breathe in, feeling the soft radiant light allowing you to relax further and deeper. Breathe out, all the tension gone from the body. And you, feeling relaxed, heavy, and free from any worries and tension. Continue to see this column of pure energy fill your body as you inhale. And feel your stress and tension leave your body as you exhale. When your body is filled with the light, start to see it begin to encase you, almost as if it were wrapping itself like a blanket around you. You can sense the light filling your aura and adding a layer of protection, keeping you safe and secure, wrapped in your cocoon of pure, white, silvery light. Once you are wrapped up, warm and protected, in the blanket of light, bring your attention to the base of your spine. As you watch, you can see a tiny spot of light appear. Gently keep your focus on this area. See the small spot of light start to grow larger. As it does, you notice it is not a patch of light. It is a flower bud that is growing and turning itself to meet the sun. You can see this is Muladhara, and she's beginning to open. See the lotus bud and watch as her petals slowly start folding back, opening to greet the rays of the sun. As Muladhara opens further, a color begin to spread throughout her. A rich, ruby, red hue which is becoming stronger and stronger. See this red hue glowing brightly. See Muladhara now fully open. You can see the rich red color emanating from her, and you notice that this makes you feel secure, helps you feel serene, and you know that you are totally safe in this place. Take some time to enjoy these sensations. Bask in Muladhara's vibrant red. Feel secure. Feel safe. Feel serene. You feel totally grounded. You feel strong, as if you were a huge and unshakable boulder cradled deep inside the earth. Rest in this sense of solid security as healing takes place. Now, start to move your focus and visualize yourself in a beautiful field. You can feel the wind on your face, you can hear the birds singing, and can feel the rays of the sun warming your skin. It is a beautiful day, and standing in the field you feel the warmth, strength, and protection of Mother Earth radiating up through the soles of your feet. You look out across the field and can see a huge snow-capped mountain. You are drawn to the mountain, almost as if it were calling to you. Start walking towards it. As you walk, feel the warmth of the sun and the strength of the earth. Feel your feet connect with grass and soil with each step forward. As you approach the mountain, you notice there are groves of trees with bright red blooms. They are growing along the path that leads to the base of the mountain. As you walk through alongside these trees, you can smell the fragrance of the blooms, and you are amazed at the vibrancy of their red color. And now see that you have arrived at the base of the mountain. You can see an entrance, a small opening, as though the path was leading you to a doorway. You notice that the entrance is open and wide, and when you see a red hint of light in this direction, you know you must explore further. You step forward and enter the opening of the mountain. The red light within seems to beckon you. You know instinctually that nothing can harm you, and you know that only positive and welcoming energy awaits. Walk into the mountain, follow the cavern's path, and follow the glow of the red light. After some time walking, you suddenly enter a vast chamber in the mountain. The chamber is cool and tranquil. Its walls are high and glassy, and you notice the space is almost perfectly circular, and its ceiling rises like a sharp peak. At the top of the peak in the ceiling, you see a hint of sunlight enters through a small gap. Your eyes follow that single ray of light pouring in from the ceiling. It shines down with brilliant red radiance, lighting a large flat rock in the center of the chamber. Walk over to the rock. Notice it is smooth and flat and has just enough room for you to sit or lie on. You climb the rock and sit on top of it. Sitting cross-legged comes effortlessly to you. As you sit, you can feel the red radiance of the sunlight pouring onto the top of your head. It feels as if this red light is entering the top of your head and penetrating deep into your body. As it does, it brings warmth and comfort and peace. You also feel the warmth of Mother Earth, her strength and serenity flowing into you from the rock on which you sit. As you sit, you realize you have the universe connecting to your head and the earth connecting to your base. You feel as if you are part of the rock, part of the mountain, part of the earth, and part of the universe. You feel deeply anchored and rooted to the earth. You feel strongly connected to space, time, and the divine. You feel safe. You feel supported. And you feel the energy of the mountain nourishing your entire being. As you sit connected to the earth, bring your focus gently back to Muladhara. You notice the energy is now spinning clockwise, growing faster and brighter. The pure red light and energy continue to grow stronger and spin faster. As the red light of the chakra grows, you see and feel her red energy filling your entire being. See it filling you, surrounding you, and note the sense of connectedness, contentedness, and security that envelopes you. Take some deep breaths. As you breathe in, see the energy center sending bright red, pure energy up your spine. As you exhale, see the sunlight from the ceiling pouring down your spine and into Muladhara, nourishing and replenishing her. Now take time to rest in this awareness, the awareness that all is good, and right, and safe, and as it should be. All is secure and balance is being restored. Know that you are strong and connected to both the earth and the universe. Know that your chakra is open and alignment taking place. Once you feel the time is right, you rise from your rocky platform and walk out of the cavern. As you leave the mountain, pause for a moment and take a look back. You can see that the red rich ruby energy of Muladhara is still flowing and forming a path, a stream, a wave of energy back into the cavern, into the earth, and into the universe. As you walk away, you see the trail of light and energy fade from view, but you are aware the link remains unbroken. You know you are one with the earth and the mountain and the universe, and it is a connection that can never be severed. Now take 3 long, deep, slow breaths, in and out, and when you are ready, open your eyes and bring yourself back to full consciousness.